Hello everyone, welcome to our session of Basic Science. It's me, your teacher from Science Hub. Uh, on today's session, it's our first class, so we are gonna discuss about the basic science, its parts, its sections, its divisions, its contents. And this class is originally designed for classes below 10 from 6, I think, yeah, 6. So please, students between 6 to 10 can uh, learn anything they want from our session. Please follow our sessions. Okay. At the first section, we have a topic called introduction, and introduction includes the basic syllabus of our science. So, the basic science includes physics, chemistry, biology, geology, astronomy, and environment science. So today we are going to discuss about these topics. I will tell you something that I know about these topics. What does physics deals with? What does chemistry deals with? What does biology deals with? What does geology and astronomy? And finally, environment science deals with. What are these components known for? I will tell something that I know about these sections on our session. Okay, uh, at first about physics. What is physics? Simply, we have seen this topic on our science book. On the first section, uh, might be there on topic, might be there on section of topic known as physics, and then below physics, some branches do fall out, like measurement, force, motion, and simple machine, and others. So what does physics basically deals with? Basically, physics deals with the physical appearance of our surrounding. Physical appearance, simply physical appearance. That means how do our surrounding look like? First of all, just consider a thing that things around you have certain shape. They have certain existence with their own identity like mass, length, time, and yeah, they are certainly stable or moving. I mean, they are some of those things are at rest, or some of those things are at motion at the same time. Simply, they have a different type of appearance within our surrounding. Like a moving bus, it has its own appearance, and a person sitting on a bench, it has its own appearance. Simply, physics deals with those things, the simple and actual appearance of our surrounding. Okay, an example we can write that simply physics deals with mass of a person. Yeah, a person's mass, like 70 kg, 80 kg. His appearance, he look so fat. It means he has a larger mass. He has a great mass. Okay, and then other, like I have a pen, I have a pen, pencil, and other instruments, and I will include them on the section of geometry. Okay, it means these things like pen, pencil, other instruments, they fall under the category of simple machines. It means they have certain shape. They are instruments, it means they have certain shape. So they fall under physics. Their shape fall under physics. Okay, likewise, water. It has certain volume. Sorry. It has certain volume, and water has also certain mass. It also has certain density. It means its appearance for us, volume, mass, density, they all fall under physics. They are the things to be considered while observing anything instantly by its looks. Okay, it means physics simply deals with someone's look or their appearance to us. Okay, we will consider things according to their appearance. It means we are applying physics. Simple. And then next thing about force. Likewise, pull or push. Okay, we can simply consider things under that category by saying that he is applying pull force, like he is dragging something towards him. He is throwing or he is moving something towards me from his side. It means he is using push. So we can say that simply the appearance of the thing is pull or push. In that manner, it means we are applying physics. Okay, in the same way there are many things that physics includes. We will learn about them later. So please we will move to the next session, next lesson. Okay, sorry, next topic. Uh, that is about chemistry. Yeah, first of all, we know that physics deals with physical appearance of our surrounding, and physical appearance includes such things. We get to know them through examples. And in case of chemistry, the branch of science that deals with internal composition and bonding nature of formation of our surrounding. In this case too, we are still in the surrounding. First of all, we get to observe, we get to analyze the physical appearance. Now we are going to analyze about internal composition of that physical appearance of our surrounding. Chemistry deals with internal composition, the bonding of formation, how things are formed up, how things are combined, how things stay together. This thing is explained by chemistry. Likewise, in case of atoms, elements, and their composition to form an object. Okay, simply atoms, elements, and their composition to form an object. Chemistry says that anything that exists within our surrounding have certain composition. They are composed of small things known as atoms, elements. So chemistry deals with the internal composition, how things are bonded up, how things are built up, simply how things are built up. Okay, how things are made up of, how things are joined together. We can take an example of a house. Simply, a house includes walls, doors, and windows, yeah, roofs, okay, many other things. So composition, or simply we can say that addition of these things will create a house. It means if we are saying about walls, doors, windows, roofs, and the addition forms a house, we are now applying chemistry. Simply, chemistry deals with addition of some things within our surrounding to form a new object or to form a new shape. Okay, chemistry deals with bonding, chemistry deals with addition and subtraction too. We can divide these things from a house. It means chemistry deals with such things like subtraction too. So okay, simply we get to know about chemistry that it deals with internal composition and bonding nature of formation of our surrounding. Simply just keep these things within your mind. We will learn more things on upcoming sessions. So we will move to next topic, and that is about biology. Okay, first of all we get to know that physics deals with a physical appearance of surrounding. And chemistry deals with the bonding nature or the addition or subtraction of things within our surrounding to form that physical appearance. Now they are combined together, now they are bonded together, physics and chemistry. In the same way, biology deals with living components of our surrounding, their habitat, survival, and growth. Okay, our environment includes two things like living and non living components. We know that very well. Living things includes humans, animals, and plants, and their habitat includes their surrounding they live in which they live in. Like for a fish, water is their surrounding. For humans, air or land is surrounding. Okay, in that way, we can say that biology deals with only those living things and their place to live in. Okay, uh, first of all, living components. Living components like trees, humans, and others like animals, etc. Okay, biology deals with these things like trees, humans, animals, etc. Any other things which are included under living things. Simply take a concept that biology deals only with living things and their surrounding and the place in which they live in. Okay, and how do they survive? How do they live? Like animals live by eating each other, so they are categorized under different type of consumers like primary, secondary, tertiary. We will learn those things about. We will learn those things on later sessions. So first of all, just know that. Just keep in mind that biology just deals with those living components and about the place they live in. Okay, uh, about living components and their place and how do they grow up, how do they eat food, what do they eat. This is all included by biology. Okay, next thing that is about geology and astronomy. First of all, we get to know that physics, chemistry, biology. Okay, and the next topic of science is geology and astronomy. Okay, as we all are assuming that there is some life beyond this space, like there is some life in the universe, like as we have life within our planet, and many other people assume that aliens do exist. It means we are talking about aliens. Aliens means those things which live on other planets or other universe other than this earth. Simply living things, living beings from space. They are known as aliens. So geology and astronomy deals with their survival or simply deals with the origin of space. How is our survival originated? How is our environment originated? How is our environment created? It deals with those things. Okay, simply we will go through the definition. The branch of science that deals with the origin of life, existence of objects, and mainly about the things from infinity. Okay, how are we how are we able to exist, or simply how is our environment suitable for us, what is our environment made up of, and such things like origin of our environment and about those sun, star, and other planets. Okay, simply geology and astronomy deals with those things like rocks, stones, and things from infinity like planets, solar systems, their structures, how are they formed up, how do they exist, universe, galaxies, okay, many more things. So this branch of science deals with planets, not only with living beings and their physical appearance and their bonding, but it deals with the whole thing that exists in space too. Okay, like planets, solar system, their structure. Okay, geology and astronomy deals with space and infinity. Next thing, environment science. Okay, this is the branch of science that deals with our surrounding, simply the place in which we live. First of all, we get to see that physics deals with physical appearance, chemistry with the bonding nature of our physical appearance, and biology with living things only. And geology and astronomy deals with things like space, things like which are present over in space, like planets, stars, universe. Okay, but this science is different from those science. This branch of science deals with pre-existing things from our surrounding and its preservation along with natural balance. Environment includes sorry environment includes living components and non-living sorry environment includes living components as well as non-living components. So our environment, our surrounding has certain things which are in a balanced way, either in a balanced way or unbalanced way. But simply things exist in our surrounding, forming a cycle or forming a bone. So you have to consider that environment science just deals with the surrounding in which we live, either about living components or about non-living components. It just deals with the surrounding. Okay, just these things we can get out, or we can consider out from our basic science. And over here our syllabus and its introduction has been over. So if you like that, if you have any confusion, or if you get anything difficult, just put down your comments. Your comments will help me to provide more accessibility, or simply more completeness to you to understand relations. Or simply if you get that this relation is difficult for us, or like it is boring, simply you can comment down, so that I will know, so that I will get a chance to know that, and then I will try to improve my relations from next session. Okay, thank you class, thank you for your time.